Also tonight, he turned himself in right here at News 4, but now statements made by the suspected City Grill gunman, Riccardo McCray, are at the center of a court battle.
It was back on August 25th, less than 2 weeks after the shootings, when we broke in live as McCray surrendered to News 4 senior correspondent Rich Newberg at our North Buffalo studios. Now, Rich is live from Erie County Court tonight with the latest.
Well, portions of our video of McCray's voluntary surrender were played in Erie County Court today in Judge Sheila DeTullio's courtroom, but attorneys for McCray are now focusing on statements made by McCray allegedly after he was taken into police custody. Now, let's review it. McCray was first brought to me on August 25th by Darnell Jackson and Bishop Perry Davis. I interviewed McCray before Buffalo police had arrived. Detective Sergeant James Lonergan testified that McCray had waived his Miranda rights in writing when he was brought to Buffalo Police Headquarters after he voluntarily surrendered at News 4, but before his attorney had arrived, and then told police he had been at the City Grill at the time of the shooting. He denies he was the shooter. A WIVB-TV attorney was in the courtroom when Lonergan testified this afternoon.
And Mr. McCray waived his Miranda rights in writing and then gave a statement where he admitted that he was in the City Grill when the shooting started. And he also informed the detective what he was wearing at that time, which I assume the police will use against the videos that they have about the incident.
How much of a role, if any, is the News 4 video going to play in this?
Remains to be seen. As the case plays out and as facts are developed in the courtroom and not in the hallways of the courtroom, we'll see the value of what each piece of evidence has.
Now, I had been subpoenaed to possibly testify today about the News 4 video. I was not called as a witness by the defense today, and we had had no prior contact, by the way, with Buffalo police leading up to McCray's surrender. That's the latest from here. Reporting live, Rich Newberg, News 4 at 5.